Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and this is probably not going to be the most interesting part of this endeavor because all I'm going to do right now is put a background down. And what I want mostly is to use some paint that I've got a lot of, and I'm going to put a whole lot of pink. You know what? I'm going to start with some of my favorite inexpensive Anita's White Pearl. And whatever I get after that is fine. And I'm putting the red into the white so that I don't have to worry about getting too much of a backlash from shadows of... It's not going to matter. It's really not going to matter. So this is 24 karat gold with some orange in it. I want some of this purple. And I think that's enough paint, but better safe than sorry. Let's make sure that that's open and shaken. Not much of either one of those, I don't think. Come on. Oh. It's warm out here today, so there's nothing that I'm going to be able to do that isn't got to be really fast. Hopefully that's open. It doesn't look open. It doesn't matter. If I go in the house for 5 minutes, my bottles close up. I'm really thinking about trying to make my my classroom functional for a studio space just for the summer and while everybody's hiding out at home until this disaster is over. Now I have... Come on, out of the... I just saw it. I just saw the thing. Whatever it was. Well, you know what? I'm just going to be adding dribbles at some point in time anyway. So, the truth is, it doesn't matter what I get right now, because it's all just a background. And I will try. I must have put some... Wow. I think that's that Anita's White Metallic that's making all those beautiful cells. You could probably just make yourself a really nice stripe painting just like this. I'd like my edges to be covered, but I think I'm going to be more concerned with not worrying about it right now, because I think I'll be pouring paint over this in Escape. I will look in a minute to see what... Yeah, that's not going to matter either. I like it when nothing matters. What can I say? It's the beginning of a process. So if you guys watch the videos longer, you help me stay on YouTube, because the algorithm on YouTube only knows how long you watch for. And this is basically going to be the sky and the reflections of the sky that show in the puddles that I'm planning on adding. There's hubby's first time in the pool this year, which is good because it's like really, really hot out here right now. Definitely like 90 under the tent. And I'm just continuously covering this, and I'm going to be done in a second with this stage. I might play with it for a few more minutes and talk to you guys. Like, there's Teespring clothing under the video and my Amazon link if you shop there at No How to Cost You. Those things help me out. Your thumbs up helps me out. Your comments help me out. Like I said, watching longer is the major thing. I think I'm pretty well done. You'll see and hear whatever I missed out telling you in part 2. And I'm going to start it. For the most part, you can find my videos on the community board on my channel on YouTube, or you can go to Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group on Facebook and find out what I post for tomorrow. But on my channel, if you're looking for playlists, you can find 1,200 videos there organized by genre and by the 100. I love that it doesn't matter. I really like the tones. And there's a lot of metallics in here. There's Anita's Metallics. I think the red is an Anita's Metallic. The bright purple was a neon from Folk Art. And I left some paint in the way. Go figure. Come on. It's too hot to mess around. So I don't know that I'll need to do anything to that sky. It's pretty well done. Well, it was until I did that anyway. So I'll just take a little more paint, push it over, and pull it across again. A light touch with the spatula is really important. You're basically gliding through the paint. Anywhere where I see canvas still showing on my edges, I'm probably going to want to glide my paint again. You can't make mud with purple and red. It's just too pretty. You can make a lot of purple. I'm going to call it good and ask for your thumbs up. If you wouldn't mind, that would be great. Thank you guys for commenting. And check on the end screens for the monthly exhibition video, because there will be a new drawing there and you'll get to choose from among those prizes. And if you're a $10 donator to the studio, it will automatically enter you and send you a copy of what's going to be available. I guess this doesn't matter, because tomorrow I will definitely have an opportunity to cover anything that's not discreet. So I am going to torch to release the bubbles in the paint, even though mostly I think that whenever I use my OXO omelet turning spatula, which is available on the Amazon link, first blue link under show more if you click it underneath the video, I think it takes care of a lot of the bubbles. It doesn't take care of the stuff that's in there, so when you see stuff in there, it's good if you have a pair of tweezers, also available on my Amazon link, strangely enough. So like I said, this is just the background, and I'm sure you're probably gone. Check your notifications, check your subscriptions, and subscribe if you're not. And click all notifications if you really actually want to know what's up, because I've changed my multiple videos to hopefully one or a couple, part 1s and part 2s, in worst case 0 parts 3s, and they're posted at midnight. So I will be checking one more time. And the magenta is pretty sheer, so there's a pretty good chance that I may have to have another coat tomorrow in some places. But for right now, I'm pretty happy, and thank you for joining me. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and stay tuned. Well, no. If you're on autoplay, stay tuned. Which reminds me, if you binge watch, it can't hurt. If you can watch the commercials, please do. That might help me make a living. It's not happening anymore. Which reminds me, I sell my artwork for anybody who's still hardcore enough to be lingering, and someday I'll be back to giving classes at the house in Spring Hill. I am still doing that, but I don't think that anybody's going to join me right now. Yes, I am just messing with a skewer, and I do expect it to relax. Floetrol in the paint will always level the paint out. Alright, you guys, take care. Hope to see you in part 2. Bye for now. Priscilla out.